We guide you through how to make an outline in Google Docs so you can organize your document clearly from start to finish. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document and apply heading style to your section titles by highlighting the text, then choosing Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3 from the Style menu in the toolbar. As you apply headings, Google Docs automatically builds an outline for your document. To view it, go to View in the top menu and click Show Outline. The outline will appear on the left side, showing all your headings in order. You can click any heading in the outline to jump directly to that section. This feature helps you structure long documents, rearrange content easily, and navigate your work more efficiently while writing or editing.